Vertices of triangle PQR are this 2, 1 of Q minus 2, 3 and R is 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through vertex R. See here everyone. Let's talk about the vertices first. So P is given as 2, 1. Q is given as minus 2, 3 and R is given as 4, 5. What they are saying, you have to find out the equation of the median through vertex R. So let's talk about the median first. And before that, for the median, we need a triangle. Okay, we need a triangle. So let's make a triangle first. So this is a triangle I made. So this is P. Let's take this as R, this as P, and this is Q. See, purposely I have taken this as here, okay, as the vertex R above only. Why? Because the median is coming through R. So median is a line inside the triangle. Median is a line inside the triangle. So I'm making this here. And this point I have taken as M. So this is the median. What is the property of a median, everyone? Median is a line which divides the base on which it falls. So RM is it's falling on PQ. Okay, RM is falling on PQ and it divides PQ into two equal halves. PM equals to MQ. Okay, dividing the PQ line into two equal halves. So it means the ratio of PM over MQ, that is equals to 1:1. This is the property of the median. Okay, so RM is dividing PQ into two equal halves. Now let's write first the coordinates of R, P and Q. So these are the coordinates. So now it is not required to me. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to find out the coordinates of M, because whenever we have to find an equation of a line, so there are four the forms of equation of line. So here we are working on, because we have the coordinates of R, we want the coordinates of M. So we will use the 2-point form of the equation of line, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that is equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1. Okay, this is we want. Okay, through this we can find out the equation of line Rm. Now we want the coordinates of M. Now we know that PQ is a line. PQ is a line which is dividing into two equal halves. So we know the ratio, which is 1:1. We have the coordinates of P. We have the coordinates of P. We can easily find out the coordinates of M by using the midpoint formula, right? So what is the midpoint formula, everyone? The general midpoint formula I will tell you right now. So P of x comma y, that is equals to x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. This is the general formula. Now how to work out on this triangle particularly? We want the coordinates of M by using the section formula. So P will become x. I am taking the coordinate of M as x1, y1. So x comma y will become x1, y1. Now, because we are working on the line PQ, so P will act as this x1, y1 and Q will act as x2, y2. Okay, so x1 I will get from P, which is 2. And x2 I will get from here, which is minus 2 over 2. Y1 I will get as from here 1 plus y2 I am getting from here, which is 3 over 2. So when you sort out this one, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 0 over 2 is 0. And 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 over 2 is 2. So the coordinate of M, x1, y1, that is equals to 0, 2. Okay, so x1, y will become 0, 2. Now, so M as 0, 2. Now, let's try to find out the equation of a line. Now, how to do that? It's very, very important and it's very easy also. Okay, now we don't require this one. We have already used the midpoint formula, or we can call it a section formula also. Okay, because if there is a midpoint, then we can directly apply the midpoint formula, right? Now, because we are working on RM now, we are finding the equation of line RM, which is the median. So R will work as, for me, as x1, y1. Okay, according to the formula of this, and M will work as x2, y2 for me. Okay, according to the formula. So R is what? 4, 5 and M is what? 0, 2. So we'll apply it here. What is y2? Y2 is 2 minus y1, which is 5 over x2, 0, x1, 4. That is equals to y minus y1, 4 and x minus x1, which is y minus y1 is 5 and x1 is 4. Okay. Now 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3 over 0 minus 4 is minus 4. That is equals to y minus 5 and x minus 4. Now let's sort out this equation. Minus minus cancels out because they are in the division. Now let's cross multiply. So 3 multiply x minus 4, that is equals to 4 multiply y minus 5. So when we open the parenthesis or the bracket, so it will become this. Now it's your choice how you want to write the whole equation. So I am writing 4y is equals to 3x. I am taking 20 to that side. It will become plus 8. Okay, because minus 12 plus 20 is plus 8. So now I divide both sides by 4. So 8 by 4, which is 2. So this is the y is equals to mx plus c. So m is 3 by 4 and c, the y-intercept is 2. So this is one of the form and it's your choice how you want to write it. Okay.